Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LifeLock credit monitoring for suspicious activity responses. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LifeLock account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section labeled Credit Monitoring or Alerts. Click on this section to enter the credit monitoring settings. Look for an option to enable alerts for suspicious activity. Toggle the switch to turn on notifications for any unusual activity. Next, review the types of alerts available. Consider enabling alerts for changes in your credit score. Select options for alerts related to new credit inquiries. You may also want to enable alerts for new credit accounts opened in your name. After configuring your alerts, save your settings. Review the contact methods for receiving alerts. Ensure your email and phone number are up to date. Choose your preferred method for receiving notifications. If available, set up two-factor authentication for added security. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the LifeLock app. Download the app if you haven't already. Log into the app using your LifeLock credentials. Check the app for any additional settings related to credit monitoring. Confirm that your preferences match what you set on the website. Periodically review your account for any new features or changes. Stay proactive by regularly monitoring your credit reports. Consider running a credit report check at least once a year. This will help you catch any discrepancies early on. Stay informed about identity theft prevention resources provided by LifeLock. Familiarizing yourself with these resources can enhance your security. Make a note to update your preferences as needed. With these configurations in place, you can confidently monitor your credit for suspicious activities. Remember, vigilance is key in protecting your financial identity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.